Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the app so changes don't corrupt work. Close extra windows and save drafts, then back up any custom views. Open the View tab and choose Reset View to clear layout overrides. This immediately reverts filters, sorting, and column widths for the active folder. Once done, make sure the navigation pane is visible from View folder pane. That first reset removes hidden settings that commonly cause scrambled layouts and gives you a clean baseline. Next, you rebuild the main pane so everything snaps into place. Toggle the folder pane through Normal, Minimized, then Off to force Outlook to recalculate widths. Set it back to your preference. Adjust the reading pane position, right, bottom, or off, so message previews align with panes. Then use View Change View to apply compact or single. Conversation mode can collapse threads and fix order issues. These changes reflow the UI and correct column wrapping and invisible separators that break layout behavior. Finally, verify the fix and handle stubborn cases. Start Outlook in safe mode by holding Control while launching. This disables add-ins that often override layouts. If safe mode fixes it, disable suspect add-ins and restart normally. If problems persist, run Office Repair from Control Panel to restore corrupted components. As a last resort, create a new Outlook profile and import your mailbox. This replaces profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.